Ruru has come out and claimed that so Ruru and Yogesh had a fallout just the next day after our interview. Okay, and the next to next day they have all made allegations at each other, Ruru and Yogesh, and eventually Ruru has come and said that apparently Saurabh made Akansha and Yogesh meet and all of that. Do you have any clue about it? Do you feel like if it comes out or turns out to be true, that what is your opinion? I want to ask.
It is true, I feel. And कुछ दिन पहले ही योगेश और आकांक्षा मिला भी था.
कहाँ?
I think शुभांगी के घर पे. I really feel bad for Ruru. Again, she's not my friend. It's from a neutral point I'm saying, because Ruru really loves Yogesh. Really. हमारा एक red carpet था. We were there. You were also there for a fact. I've seen her only crying throughout the evening. Yes. Throughout the evening she was crying. Throughout the evening that girl was crying. Even once the red carpet was, लोग ऐसे भी बोलते हैं ना, दिखाने के लिए करते हैं. Even when the red carpet was over, we went at a house party. There also she was crying.
No, but how do you know that they met? Yogesh and Akansha? I don't
GC में, क्योंकि जिस दिन शुभांगी, I think that girl, same day का ही था. She was wearing the same cloth. I don't know if it's there or not. Actually मैं GC में नहीं हूँ. मेरे को मेरे एक दोस्त ने भेजी. She showed me. See, I think they both of them are together. या हो सकता है ना मीट किया ऐसा कुछ कि सब है. ऐसा नहीं उन्होंने अलग से मीट किया, but they were there.
How would you react if Yogesh and Akansha patch up eventually?
I don't need to react. Who am I to react? Let the audience react.
What would you say?
Nothing. Nothing.
Do you see that coming? The way you're saying.
I don't know.
Yogesh is a friend of yours?
But not that great friend. Like we hardly speak. Hardly speak. Just DM में एक दो बार, that's it. I don't know. But I do feel like Ruru is very hurt. Which is not right. Again, जहाँ पे योगेश गलत था, आकांक्षा सही थी. मैंने आकांक्षा का स्टैंड लिया. जहाँ पे योगेश अभी भी गलत है और रूरू सही है इस बार, तो मैं रूरू की साइड पे हूँ. हाँ, दिस आई फील फॉर श्योर. इफ यू, जैसे कि मैं एक इंसान हूँ, इफ आई लव समवन, मैं ऐसे सोशल मीडिया में आके बोलूंगी नहीं चीजें. पहले आई विल फर्स्ट डिस्कस विथ माई पार्टनर. बट अगेन, we all are different. At the end of the day, we are all different individuals, right? So उसने लिख दिया. But this I don't support for sure. कि उसने ऐसे इंटरनेट पे लिख दिया. वैसे इंटरनेट में ना लिखने इट्स वेरी इजी, पता है. पर उसका जो कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस होता है ना बाद में, दैट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट.